In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a news website on Wix. First, head over to wix.com and sign into your account. Once you're in, look for the Create New Site button and click it. You'll then be asked about the type of website you want to create. Here, you should select either blog or news and media. This will guide your template and feature options. If you're looking for advanced design control, choose Wix Studio. Otherwise, for a more beginner-friendly experience, go with the Wix editor. Now, it's time to select a template. You'll find several templates such as daily news, online magazine, or editorial blog. Pick whichever best suits the design and feel you're aiming for. Once you've set up your basic site, it's crucial to install an app called Wix Blog, which will serve as your article management tool. In your dashboard, navigate to Apps and then Add Apps. Search for Wix Blog and click Add to Site. This system allows you to publish articles easily, assign authors, and organize your content into sections. Next, we're delving into customizing your blog layout. In the editor, head over to your blog page and then click on your blog feed. Selecting Settings here will open up various layout options. You can choose a list view if you prefer a traditional news format or a grid view for a magazine-style presentation. Spend some time personalizing your design. You can adjust fonts, toggle the visibility of author names, dates, and categories, and even add thumbnail images for a visually appealing layout. Another essential part of your site is creating news categories. In the Wix Blog Manager, select Categories and then click on Add Category. This is where you can organize your content into sections like breaking news, local, world, sports, lifestyle, and technology. When readers visit your site, they'll be able to browse articles based on these topics. It's time to add and publish your news articles. In your dashboard, proceed to Blog and then Create New Post. Drafting a post involves crafting a catchy and optimized headline and inserting relevant images or videos along with your main content. On the sidebar, make sure to assign an author name, the appropriate category, and set your publish date. Once everything is set, click Publish. You might also find the Schedule Post feature helpful for timing your news releases. To create a smooth user experience, you should add a menu for navigation. In the Wix editor, click your header menu and create links to key sections like Home, News Categories, About Us, Contact, and Archives. Consider adding drop-down menus to efficiently organize your categories. For reader engagement, you might want to add subscription options, navigate to Apps, and then Add Apps, where you can include Wix Forms or Wix email marketing through Ascend by Wix. Develop a newsletter sign-up form and link it to your email list. You can take it a step further with Wix automations to send out updates whenever you publish new articles. Finally, click Publish to make your site live and start sharing it across your social media platforms. Integrating social share buttons into your posts can also boost visibility as it encourages readers to share your content easily. With that, your Wix News website is all set to go. Happy publishing!